What's up guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Now guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the blind carbon copy in your Gmail. If this is something that you'll find useful, don't forget to give this video a like, and if you're seeing the channel for the first time, feel free to hit the subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release another tutorial just like this one. Now guys, once you're inside Google, go ahead and hit the Gmail button in the top right hand side to access your email. Now once you're inside guys, you want to compose a new email, and then in the field where you have the two, you want to simply click on the BCC in the right hand side. So if you click on that, this will open up the field for the blind carbon copy, and you can simply put an email there. While the carbon copy, it means that they will be able to see that there is a person, there's a recipient in the carbon copy. So the blind carbon copy is like a private hidden person who will receive the email, while the carbon copy and the two are the people who will be visible in the email. I hope that makes sense for you guys, and if so, you can simply go to Google and type in what does BCC mean in emails, and you will see that blind carbon copy. When you put an email address in the blind carbon copy field, it means that a copy of the email you are sending, but no one who received the email will be able to see that email address in the blind carbon copy. So very easy and very simple. That is the meaning of the blind carbon copy. I hope that makes sense for you guys. You have it right here, so you can know what is the meaning of blind carbon copy. With that said guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.